Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 18.1, we are going to continue our focus on topic sentences, especially writing good topic sentences. For part 1 of this section, we will be using the conjunction because, so hopefully you will remember what we worked on in Activity 6. If you need to review conjunctions, pause the video now and take a look back at Activity 6. In Part 1 of your textbook, match the topic to the reason. If you look at the table in your textbook, there are 2 columns, one for the topic and one for the reason. Your task is to draw an arrow to match the topic on the left to the best reason on the right. Then combine the topic and reason into a good topic sentence. In the table, you see an arrow pointing from "My favorite season is summer" to "Because I love warm weather." So we can write the topic sentence to say, "My favorite season is summer because I love warm weather." Now pause the video and write out the remaining 2 topic sentences from the table. Just to check, you should have written these 2 topic sentences. A great place to visit is Hershey Park because it has fun rides. Exercise is important because it keeps me healthy. Great job! Now let's move on to part 2. Your task is to complete the sentences by adding your own ideas. Let's do number 1 together. It reads, "My favorite food is blank because blank." Well, I will do this one so you have an idea of what to do. If I were writing this about my own preferences, I would write, "My favorite food is pizza because the cheese and sauce are delicious." Of course, you likely have different tastes in food, so your response should be different than mine. But you get the idea of what you are to do, yes? Good. Now complete numbers 1 to 3 on your own. Pause the video now and be sure to share your responses with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or feel free to write them in the comments section of this video. Now let's move on to part 3, where you will fix topic sentences. The directions read, "The sentences below need improvement. Rewrite them to make them clear and focused." Take a look at number 1. It reads, "My school is nice." In order to make this a topic sentence, we need to add reasons. Normally we add 3 reasons. So we can say something like, "My school is nice because it has good teachers. It is a clean building. And there are computers for students to use." Like in the examples in part 2, we can use the conjunction because to guide in the reasons why we think our school is nice. You try it. Pause the video now and add your own reasons why your school is nice. Good. Now take a look at number 2. It reads, "I like weekends." Again, like in number 1, it is stated simply that we like weekends. But we need 3 reasons why we do. Pause the video now and add 3 reasons why you would like weekends. Don't forget to add the conjunction because to guide in your 3 reasons. Okay, make sure to share your new topic sentences with your teacher, your tutor, your classmates, or with me. You can always write your work in the comments section of this video, and I will gladly give you my feedback. Now, do number 3 on your own. Pause the video now and fix the sentence, "Parks are fun," and turn it into a topic sentence. All right, moving right along, we are at part 4. Here you are going to use your newfound skill in writing topic sentences and write some on your own. If you look in your textbook, you are asked to write 3 topic sentences for each of the topics listed. They are 1. My favorite holiday. For example, my favorite holiday is Christmas. But whatever your favorite holiday is, write your topic sentence about that. Number 2. Why reading is important. I can think of many reasons reading is important, such as it is necessary for work and for simply being able to read the mail. And number 3, a hobby I enjoy. I mentioned in previous videos that I love podcasting, but other hobbies include exercising at the gym, playing soccer, writing books, and gardening are other hobbies people generally enjoy. Pause the video now and write your 3 topic sentences. Now we are at part 5. Here you will choose one of your topic sentences from part 4 and write a short paragraph. Add at least 2 supporting details to your topic sentence, but 3 is always better. Look at the example in your textbook. The topic sentence is, my favorite holiday is New Year's Day because I get a day off from work and I spend time with my family. Now, look at the paragraph. My favorite holiday is New Year's Day because I get a day off from work and I spend time with my family. The evening before, we always cook a big dinner and share stories. At midnight, we watch the fireworks together. It is a special time for us. Pause the video now and write your paragraph. Incredible work, everyone. You continue to progress, and that is a great thing. We thank you for staying with this program and the effort you are putting into this. It is something very commendable. We are getting close to the end, but we still have a ways to go. If you are liking these videos, be sure to like and share it with others. Help us spread the word about this textbook, Writing Journey for Beginners. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.